how to turn on updates notifications on Reddit. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel, and let's start. First, you will just go to Reddit. Then when Reddit is opening, you will just go here at the top of the screen and click on your profile icon. Then you will go to the bottom of the screen and click on settings, and then you will go to the first option, account settings, and after this go to manage notifications, and then you will just go down to updates. And if you want to turn on updates notification, you will turn on this and this, and that's it. It will work with you. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.